In just few minutes of you watching this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn that WhatsApp you are busy to chat with your friends and loved ones into a money making machine. I know you're going to be surprised, but don't be, because this is something I have been doing, and a lot of people have been doing it because I've been teaching people on how they can turn their WhatsApp from the normal messaging platform, which we all know it to be, to a money making machine. A lot of people have been sleeping on Facebook monetization, YouTube monetization, Instagram monetization, and they have been using WhatsApp without them actually knowing that this WhatsApp they are holding can literally set them up for life, and they are going to be continuously making money from it. I'm going to show you in this video. And if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Bassey Ejogba, and I'm a student in the University of Calabar. And in my channel, I help students level up the academic game, and I also help people like you who want to win online, who want to also double up their income, achieve their aim. So if you love content like this, if you love this video, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I will drop helpful videos like this, and in turn you will help me grow. And just like I've said, I'm going to be teaching you how you can turn your WhatsApp, yes, that your WhatsApp, into a money making machine. So let's start with the first one on the list. So how do I start? This is the question I've been getting from a lot of people. How do I start? Now the first thing you have to do is that you have to pick the right service or the right product you want to sell. And this is where a lot of people have issues on. But I'm going to talk about this issue later, right? I'm going to talk about this issue later when I just finish this particular page. So when I talk about choosing the right product or the right service to sell, there are a lot of things you can sell on WhatsApp. There are a lot of services you can offer on WhatsApp. The first one is digital products. You can start to sell your digital products online. There are a lot of digital products you can sell. Yes, there are a lot of digital product services you can sell, especially on WhatsApp, where it simply involves people who are getting to know you, or people who know you, people who are comfortable with you. And when people get comfortable with you, it makes it easier for you to sell to them. And that means you know the problem that particular person is having. So pick a digital product. People love shortcuts. If you're a student, try to sell to them how they can be able to pass their exam. Try to sell to them timetable, how to prepare a good timetable, academic guide, study plans, and stuff like that. Right? People are going to buy it from you. So that is concerning digital products. It can be an ebook. You can try to promote an ebook, right? You can try to sell your ebook on your WhatsApp. Secondly is physical products. Post what you are selling on WhatsApp, and people will DM you to buy it, and in turn you get the allocation and see how you can ship it, or you can see how you can send it to them, dispatch it to them, right? And the third way you can make money on WhatsApp is through affiliate marketing. That is by sharing of your affiliate link, where someone click on your affiliate link, make a purchase on a particular product, and in turn you will get commission. Right? I've been talking about affiliate marketing, and I tell you the truth, affiliate marketing is one of the surest way you can make money on WhatsApp. And when it comes to the concept of affiliate marketing, a lot of people have been making affiliate marketing to sound so complicated, but affiliate marketing is not complicated. Affiliate marketing is basically what you have been doing, where you tend to promote another person's product, and in turn you earn commission. So the second step, just I've talked about the first step, which is picking the right product or the service to sell. The second product is by building trust on WhatsApp. You cannot sell to people who don't trust you, right? So for you to start selling, you basically have to start building trust, and there are a lot of ways you can start building trust on WhatsApp, right? One of the first ways you can use to start building trust on WhatsApp is by constantly giving out value, right? And one of the ways you can reach people to constantly give out value is basically on your WhatsApp status, or when you create a broadcast, you can decide to create a broadcast list, or you can decide to create a group chat where you ask people and teach them a particular stuff. So let's say I'm an online tutor, and I want to get clients from my online stuffs, right? So I want to get students to register in my class. I'm basically going to create a WhatsApp group, put them in my group, and I continuously give them value. I teach them what they are supposed to know. And when I continuously give them value, all what they are going to feel is like, oh, this person is legit, this person is good, right? And they tend to trust me. So you don't just, if you want to start making money on WhatsApp, you don't just take WhatsApp as a cruise platform. You don't just take it as your normal platform. You take it as a business. So what you simply do there is you continuously build value. Let people see you as a go-to person when it comes to providing solution based on that particular stuff which you are projecting yourself to be. So you have to build trust on WhatsApp. Thirdly is that you create broadcast lists and communities. Try to build a community centered on what you are doing. Right, I've talked about I talked about when it comes to tutoring, because I run a tutorial brand on campus here in the university. I run a tutorial brand. So create communities on WhatsApp. Like I said, give them value. Because when we talk about community is simply a group of like-minded people. Right, it's a group of like-minded people. So create this group of like-minded people. Give them value. Give them solutions to every of their problem for free. Right, so if you are, let's say I am a gym bro and I offer fitness stuff like that, I'm going to be giving them fitness ideas, fitness tips, right? And in turn, I can decide to market my supplement or whatever I am selling that I know that is going to help them. And they will actually get this when they know that, okay, this particular person is a solution provider. So you have to create your community. You have to create broadcast message. So instead of just randomly chatting people, just create a broadcast message, send it to thousands of people. I think a broadcast message can go up to 256 people at once. Send it to these 256 people at once, and you find out that a lot of them, some of them might not reply to that message, but out of 256, you can get up to 200 replies, which, if what you are telling them is actually good, if you are convincing enough, it can convert to sales. Right, so you have to create communities, and you also have to make sure you send broadcast messages to the people you have on WhatsApp. Number 4 is that you have to automate your sales. I've talked about you sending them broadcast message, which in turn at least 90% of them is going to convert into sales. And when it converts into sales, you are just a single person. You might not be able to handle all the demand. So what you just simply have to do is to automate your WhatsApp. There are a lot of, you can just go to Google and search for WhatsApp automation. There are a lot of apps, there are a lot of websites, there are a lot of softwares that gives access to automate your WhatsApp messages. So when you automate this WhatsApp message, so let's say I run a tutorial brand and someone wants to come to my DM to register. So the person comes to my DM and say hello. That WhatsApp autoresponder is going to tell them, hello, welcome to Pacesetter tutorial. The person will say, okay, I want to register for the tutorial. You find that autoresponder will automatically respond. Say, okay, for you to register, make a payment into this account, I tell you, it's going to save you time. And you know, some people don't like wasting time. So when they come to your DM, and because you're attending to other people and you're leaving there, they'll feel like, okay, you are neglecting them. But when you use this autoresponder, it helps automate your sales effectively. Right? And lastly is that you have to be consistent. Yes, you have to be consistent. A lot of people are not consistent. They will just say, oh, because I watched a video on YouTube where a guy was saying you can make money on WhatsApp, and I'm doing it now. This is my 14 days of posting on WhatsApp, and people are not buying. Yes, normally people are not going to buy it like that, the way you are thinking about, or the way you are having the thought on your mind that you are going to make thousands of sales. No, it's gradually. Right? Be consistent in it, and you find out that the moment someone is thinking about tutorial, the first person that is going to come to their mind is you. And even though that person does not register in your tutorial, probably because what you are offering or what you want to teach, they already know it, they can also refer other people to you, and gradually find out that you start creating a brand, which in turn will convert to bigger and larger opportunities. Drop it in the comment section. What do you want to start selling on WhatsApp? And like I said, one of the problems that people face when it comes to selling on WhatsApp is that they choose to sell what they like and not what people want. That is one of the first problems. The moment you want to start selling what you like on WhatsApp without actually filling in the market demand, that is where a lot of people will start complaining that they are not making sales and stuff like that. So drop it in the comment section. What do you want to start selling on WhatsApp? Let me know. Let me just know what you want to sell on WhatsApp, and I can see where I will give you content ideas that you consistently post on your status, which in turn will let people know that, okay, this is what this guy is trying to do, and in turn they will start trusting you, which you will also continuously provide them value upon value upon value. And I tell you the truth, if you consistently do this, don't sleep on this. Share this video to your friend so that they can come here and see this video also and gain value. Don't sleep on this. I have made a lot of money as a student on WhatsApp, and from WhatsApp I have been getting a lot of referrals from people who believe that I am a solution provider to that particular problem. And if you love this video, don't just watch this video and nod your head without taking action. That is one thing. Don't watch this video and nod their heads without taking action. If you love this video, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button. And like I always say, share these videos to your friends so they can follow me and get value. And in turn, I'll feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this. And until I see you in my next video, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.